Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get QR code or Microsoft Authenticator. Now, quick one guys, come to your Google or in a browser of your choice, then search for microsoftaccount.com. Now go ahead and click on this first website. Once you click on this first website, you then go ahead and click on sign in. So quickly, I just click on this, enter. So once I click on that, then automatically they'll redirect me to my Microsoft account. Okay, so in your Microsoft account is where everything will happen. All right, so I'll just have to rechange this. Okay, now once you're in your Microsoft account, go ahead and click on security. Once you click on security, you then come and click on this option which says manage how I sign in. Now, once you click on this option, you'll be asked to first verify that this email is yours. Okay, you'll be asked to first verify that this Microsoft account is yours. How are you going to verify? They'll send you an email they'll send you a code on the email that you registered on your Microsoft account, as you can see over here. Then once you have the code, you click on I have the code, then go ahead and put in the code that you have received and click on verification. Once you click on verification, you then go ahead and select how to sign in. Then you select either QR code or else if you want any other method, you can go ahead and select the Authenticator application. So basically, those are the steps. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.